Don't Say Gay bill. Florida Senate passes controversial LGBTQ school measure. Republican Governor Ron DeSantis has signaled he would sign the bill, which would ban classroom discussion about sexual orientation or gender identity in primary schools.
Yeah, so this law was passed 2 days ago.
It was passed? It
Yeah.
passed the State House last month. It heads to the Republican governor who has previously expressed support for it. So he's got to sign off on it. This is American politics here. I guess so. It goes from the State House and then to the governor. And then at that point, it's done deal? Or is there any other? Let's see. This is going to endanger the safety of our LGBTQ students and adolescents. Senator Annette Taddeo, a Democrat, said during Tuesday's debate, we will not stop until this state moves forward and actually values everyone in it, everyone no matter their sexual orientation. Parental rights in education bill, which was passed in both legislative bodies. So the bill is called Parental Rights in Education. Has added fuel to the latest American culture war, which has put students in its crosshairs with a combination of book bans, pride flag removals, and bills targeting LGBTQ youth. The measure has even grabbed the attention of international newspapers, Hollywood. Honestly, the only thing I saw about this, I saw it this morning, was Mark Hamill and Ben Shapiro going back and forth on Twitter.
Oh,
These were very popular tweets.
Right.
A lot of activity on those tweets. I believe Mark Hamill, he just tweeted the word gay like a bunch of times.
okay.
And then Ben Shapiro quote tweeted him. And then he quote tweeted Ben Shapiro. I'm not sure why I'm telling you this. I'm just saying that's how I was exposed to it. I'm not surprised. It's obviously a controversial topic, or else we wouldn't have look, Mark Hamill's tweet here. What is this? This is a double quote tweet, I guess. 33,000 retweets, 327,000 likes, almost 6,000 comments. And let's see Ben Shapiro's interaction, actually. Click on the tweet that was being quoted. Yeah, that one.
I think it's a screenshot.
Oh, it's a screenshot. Well, I guess you got to go to his account. But I guess what we're trying to do here is get some sort of a sense of how these communities are interacting with one another at the moment, or not, or refusing to interact with one another. It's not a surprise where these, that this topic has yielded such far apart types of support or lack thereof. Was it a while ago? Or do you have to do replies? Or did he delete the tweet?
He might have deleted.
Interesting development.
3 hours ago.
He deleted the tweet. No.
I'm on replies right now.
You best be sure about it, Will, before you make the claim.
I'm on it.
So you think you're going on the record and saying it's deleted, which is interesting.
That's why there's a screenshot.
It must be.
I'm guessing.
But the screenshot would have had to been at a moment when it was up, or someone could have sent the screenshot.
Oh, possibly. Maybe it was a while ago because it was tweeted March 8th. That was 3 days ago.
Oh, and then
when the bill passed.
And then his latest,
I would probably have to go back more.
But. Yeah. I got you. But anyway, so Ben Shapiro says no indoctrination of small children into gender and sexual ideology. And Mark Hamill says, obviously disagrees with that. He says, "Hi, Ben, I love mind-reading acts. Now guess which finger I'm holding up." I suppose that's his way. He's holding the middle finger.
Yes, he probably is.
The metaphorical middle finger up to Ben Shapiro. So you have a disagreement in place. Different You have a different position on this, and you have a government that has one point of view, and you have the public, a percentage of the public that has a different point of view. This bill says parents, your right to raise your children does not end when they walk into a classroom. This bill recognizes that parents are not the enemy. That's from Republican Senator Danny Burgess. The measure bans classroom instruction by school personnel or third parties on sexual orientation or gender identity in kindergarten through third grade. Oh, so they're only talking about kindergarten through third grade, I guess. Oh, wait a second. It also prohibits such teaching in a manner that is not age appropriate or developmentally appropriate for students, which critics say could be interpreted to extend to all grade levels. Okay, so I guess there's a couple different elements there that have proven to be controversial. What can I say? I don't think this one's going away. I think people are going to continue to disagree on this. Like and the evidence for me is what you're seeing on Twitter and what you're seeing in the state.